Hello, good day everyone, and here comes your wonderful God with the Queen, all the way from African's Mama's Kitchen. I will do a special delicacy from Nigeria, and more especially down to the east from Enugu State. They will understand what I'm about to throw down. It is called Achicha from Enugu State. It's our local delicacy. And here are the ingredients I'm going to use to make that delicacy. Here is Achicha already cooked. And here is oil, palm oil. And here is my opaka and my black beans, salt, Maggi, and powdered oregano, pepper. I have 2 different kind of peppers, and I'm gonna pound it to make it more coarse. And I have cut onions. So follow me right now. I'm gonna prepare this, and you're gonna enjoy all the way from African Mama's Kitchen. Onions goes in. You know, in my area of the country, Nigeria, this is one of the best food. You know, when you have achicha, oh man, it is wonderful. So I'm gonna have the onions cook for a little bit, and I will then add the pepper, and we will have a good delicacy. You know what? And I'm gonna sometime also I'm gonna throw down for you guys very wonderful okra soup, special okra soup, all the way from African Mama's Kitchen. Take the pepper. I already, crushed the peppers, and I put it in. I put the pepper called locust beans in Nigeria. So, and I'm using, there's different types. I'm really using the one from, Soka area. It's more bold, and it's very good when you cook it with achicha. Okay? Salt, pepper, and Maggi in it. Oh, this is so good. We are going all the way to Nigeria from African Mama's Kitchen. I'm gonna drop down the main ingredients, that is the achicha. Some people may ask, what is achicha? What is it made of? Achicha actually is made from cocoyam in Nigeria. They cook it for a long time. I think I'm gonna add a little of the black beans. This is not too much in the food. I can put it on. Hold it, then you turn it. Oh my God, it's coming out so wonderfully good. Oh my God. This is good. Coming all the way. Oh my God. All the way from African Mama's Kitchen. And here is the final product of our local delicacy, achicha. All the way. When I say I mean all the way from African Mama's Kitchen. And then the Queen has to taste it. good. You can place your order. This is good. Thank you for watching.